They thought it was just fireworks, but residents who live on South Hazel Court, just north of Alameda in Denver, well, they were a little nervous after realizing it was actually gunshots, and those gunshots went right through their home. Denver 7's Lance Hernandez found out those residents wonder if they're being targeted.
It happened Saturday morning. Several people were still asleep. At least 6 shots fired, a couple of them hitting this vehicle right here, 2 more hitting the windows of that nearby house.
We are definitely worried, just because the worst didn't happen, but the worst could have happened, and that's a terrible feeling.
Stefan Garcia says the shots sounded like fireworks. It was only after they heard glass breaking that they realized it was much more. He says the bullet that tore through this window went from one side of the house to the other, through the living room, this curio cabinet with a flag on top, then through the kitchen pantry and into a back room.
It was really close, honestly. My brother was just making coffee at the time, and if he were to be standing in that specific spot where he was just a couple moments ago, it would have went completely through him.
Another bullet went through 2 bedrooms. Stefan's sister Anna learned about the incident and rushed over.
My heart was just in my stomach the entire time, waiting to be able to come down here.
They say they don't know if the shooter was targeting someone in the house or firing randomly. They're very concerned about the children.
Being that we're a tight-knit family, we all have a hand in raising them, and I don't want them to grow up thinking that this is the world we live in, but in the same token, it's the reality that they face.
A neighbor says passengers standing up through a sunroof of a dark sedan fired several shots as the car drove north on South Hazel Court. 2 other bullets struck an adjacent property. No one was injured. Police labeling it an assault case. They're still investigating. If you have information that can help solve the case, contact Denver Police. Lance Hernandez, Denver 7.